Now we're going to move on to the quotient rule. So we're going to solve this equation with the quotient rule, which is the derivative of f of x over g of x. And that is, the equation for it is, or the rule would be g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x. All over g of x squared. So now I'm going to plug in the numbers. So g of x is 2x to the fourth plus 3 times the derivative of x squared minus x squared times the derivative of 2x to the fourth minus 3. And then we're going to solve the derivatives. So it's, and then it's over 2x to the fourth plus 3 squared, because that is g of x. And then we're going to solve the derivatives for the top ones. And the derivative of 2x, or x squared, would be 2x, because you're using the power rule. And then minus x squared. And the derivative of 2x to the fourth minus 3 would be 8x to the third, because you multiply the 4 by the 2 and then subtract 4 minus 1. And then the derivative of negative 3 is just 0. And then that's all over 2x to the fourth times 3 times 2x to the fourth plus 3. So we're going to have to FOIL that. So then when we multiply the top together, we would get 4x to the fifth plus 6x minus 8x to the fifth. And then all of that would be over 4x to the eighth, because you would FOIL. Okay, so for the top, you multiply the 2x to the fourth times 2x to get 4x to the fifth, and then 3 times 2x to get 6x, and then x squared times x to the third to get negative, or it would be negative x squared. So you get negative x to the fifth. And then on the bottom, we're going to FOIL. So 2 times 2 is 4x to the eighth. Then 3 times 2x to the fourth is 6x to the fourth. And then you would have to do it again, so and then all together it's 12x to the fourth when you add them up, and then plus 9. So then when you simplify this, it's negative 4x to the fifth plus 6x over 4x to the 8th plus 12x to the 4th plus 9. And this is the final answer. And the way we got the negative 4x to the 5th was by combining these like terms, or these terms, and then negative 8 minus, or plus 4 is negative 4. So that's the answer.